Tired of messy invoices and wondering where your time actually goes? Let's unravel the power of adding clients in Clockify and transform your time tracking chaos into streamlined success in just a minute. First, let's navigate to the Clients tab. See that Add Client button? Click on it. A pop-up window will appear where you can enter your client's information. Type in the name of your client, for example, Acme Corporation. You can also add notes in the Notes section. Once you've entered the details, click Save Now. When you're logging time, you can assign time entries directly to Acme Corporation. This is where the magic happens. By assigning time to a specific client, Clockify automatically tracks billable hours for that client. This is incredibly useful for accurate invoicing. Clockify lets you generate client-specific reports. This means you can see exactly how much time was spent on Acme Corporation's projects, helping you create detailed and transparent invoices. Finally, linking projects to clients helps manage project costs associated with each client.